What's good, y'all? So right now it's currently like 5 a.m. 5:50. I got like 10 minutes to walk to this BioLife place. Don't want to come back to the crib. I said crib. I'm gonna come back to the tent. A little bit more rest because I got work today at 10. Y'all, we might be the first one. Usually it's like 2 or 3 people. I'll be fourth in line, but I wonder if I'm missing something. Either everybody got work or they're closing, I don't know. Because if I'm actually first in line, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, they definitely open. And I'm first in line. That's actually dope. Gotta get this money, y'all. Alright, y'all. So right now I'm in Wendy's and I decided to get me some breakfast. Tastes way better with ketchup. Way better. Alright, y'all. So I left Wendy's. It's empty on the road right now. I'm gonna head back to my tent. Try to get like an hour of sleep. And then get up and get ready for work. Alright, y'all. Made it back to my tent. I actually ran. Alright, y'all. I couldn't be more happy than to say we are on the clock getting this money, man. Feel me?